Hi, good afternoon. I'm Anjana from TCL. I'm showing today how to do table mount TCL Smart LED TV. First, we can check with the box condition physically. So, and okay, box condition physically, box condition is good. So now we can start it install the TV. First, we open the help of knife. So we can check with the accessories. So this is the wall mount kit. This is the accessories box. So in here, table mount, two legs, remote, cables, batteries, and warranty card and manual card. Now we can start the TV physical connection. Now we can put the side to box piece. Now we can check physically condition TV. Now physically TV is good. Now we can start it. Before started, we can check with the table size and neatly. Here we mentioned it L and R. Means L means left, R means right. So same thing mentioned in the this legs also. So according to the we can fix that left and right. And also here a knobs is there, so we can fix that knobs properly. Then only fix the other than TV will be shaped. We can use the star screwdriver. And we use the screws. So these screws, everything will be supplied from the TCL TV. So these are the screws. Screw tools there. So now we can started the wall mount kit. Now we started to the table mount. Starting we can start it smoothly. So another screws is there. This much only you can tighten. Then fix the right. same thing. Don't put force. These are very important. Not force and not full tight. So this is enough. Not put the force. Once finished, just check with the legs. This is a normal. This is not fixed, so just now this installation has been completed. So with the help of remove this one. Fix it to the table. Now installation has been completed. After that, you can connect to the power point. This is with the help of customer, with the conveyor of the customer, and where the point is there, you can put that this way. This is the once power on, so use the remote to the on button to the customer. And this is the instruction completely. There is one on. So table point.